Time now for Utah's most accurate forecast with Alana Brophy. Weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
Starting off the work week with the heat, and yes, we're coming off a weekend where we saw storms, still storms out there. We look at Utah Lake. Gorgeous shot here. People in the water, they're cooling off because we're in the low 90s in Utah County. Provo just hit 91. Some cumulus over the lake mountains in the distance. Somebody on that sailboat there. So people are out there enjoying the summer heat with the triple digits coming back to St. George at 101 this afternoon. 90s in Moab. Salt Lake warmer than Moab, so that'll give you an idea that the cloud cover and storm development keeping things a little cooler on the eastern side of the state. We're going to track those storms. I'll show you exactly where they are, how long the heat wants to hold on. We will see some increasing winds as we get through the next couple of days, and that's going to up the fire danger, so I'll break down the potential there. And when will we see our next round of storms? Okay, live look from Cedar City, Iron County. Ooh, that looks like a little bit of storm cloud in the distance there over our Southern Utah University network camera. Iron County, one of those spots that could see a stronger cell moving through. We caught a few on the radar here. Satellite radar shows as we zoom in the big picture where most of that moisture is over to the east, but this afternoon we're watching a line of storms develop east of I-15 and push to the south. And as we kind of zoom in and take a better look, there's that Cedar City. We're going to start over towards Castle Country where this cell was putting down lightning in the last 15 minutes. Duchesne County also dealing with some storms rolling through. Gusty winds there, and we've got to be careful because if it doesn't come with rain, that does bring the chance of some fire danger. This little nasty cell over the mountains of Cedar City had a bit of rotation on the radar. We'll keep an eye on that near Antimony and over in the southwest desert coming out of Caliente heading towards Washington County. As far as Diamond Valley go, just south of Enterprise, you could see some gusty conditions there. So we're not finished. We still have storm activity. It's more isolated today, but if you're out and about, you just want to be careful because we do have the possibility of that flash flooding in many locations. And this is a map you're going to see a lot of because we know this monsoon push is early. It means business and storms in the next couple days will stick around for a large portion of the state. Isolated activity out there heading into tomorrow. We do get some storms blossoming, but the big headline for tomorrow is going to be the heat because it's going to be peak heating and those temperatures are going to soar above average. As we roll into our Wednesday, a little more widespread. You can see from the basin down towards I-70, we have that storm development as well as in Utah County. Some of that moisture could push into Salt Lake and even the southwest desert. Now the model's liking that. So St. George, you could get some storms. Now tomorrow, we don't have as big of a threat when it comes to flash flooding. Bryce and Capitol Reef in the possibility stage. Everybody else kind of gets a break day for Tuesday. That changes though as we roll into Wednesday. Middle of the week's going to be rough. I think we're going to go triple digits again tomorrow. 101 in Salt Lake, 90s. For the rest of the Wasatch Front, I think we're going to tie Moab. We see those 90s on the eastern side of the state, as well as for the I-15 corridor. I think it's going to be hot in St. George, 105. And as we take a look, the triple digits stick around. Again, average is 100. So, all right, we'll be near normal, and we keep those triple digits for the next 6 days. Roll into the 4th of July with maybe a 99. We'll see. It's far off. Slight chance on Wednesday of seeing those storms blossom in the southwest desert. Here's a check on the Wasatch Front. Peak heating for tomorrow. Slight storm chance for the next couple of days. It's possible, not super likely, but we know that moisture could push north. Notice where those winds pick up. That's where the fire danger is going to be an issue. We've got to be extremely careful with temperatures in the 90s staying above average for the next 7 days. So the summer heat is here. Now we've got to watch those storms. Now to keep an eye on those changes, you want to download the ABC4 Weather app. It's really easy to do. You take a picture of this QR code with your phone, takes you right to the App Store. You can download for free, and that way we can be there for you.